Alright, so Matt and I, Matt's in the Mazda 3 in front of me. We're gonna go take some drone shots. He's got a drone in the car of the motorcycle, the bike, and we'll see how it all turns out. Should be good, actually. Okay, Matt. All right. Let's give you a break. Get Matt set up his drone. I think this is a great spot.
Yeah. Also, people always say they love Saskatchewan sunsets. I thought that's bad.
Oh, I was thinking that on the way up. I was like looking at this. I was like, fuck, this is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, sunsets are nice, but like...
I love the layers of clouds.
Oh, yeah, it's gorgeous. As long as it doesn't rain. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Dude. At least because it was flying that direction, right? At least if you fly it up, I can come this way and it'll kind of, regardless, follow me around the curve. Hey. Oh yeah, we're just shooting some footage with a drone on my bike.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, no, everything's good. Thanks for stopping though.
Well, our daughter's son our daughter's boyfriend was just in a motorcycle accident on Saturday, so...
Oh no, I understand now.
We're checking to make sure everybody's okay.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Alrighty.
Yeah, if you want to.
Just kind of like that?
Yeah.
Let me know when.
Okay.
You ready?
Second. Yep.
How was that? Was it, eh?
Really, really good. You want to come look?
Yeah, I do. Okay, hold on. I'll pull my bike up here. Yeah, I'm excited to see this one. Nice. Yeah. And it keeps it all the way, hey?
Yeah.
Fuck, that's a nice sweeping one.
So that's when the wind started to take it, so I set her down.
But that's awesome. That one's really good. That one is really good.